Hello, welcome to today's lesson, the Taj Mahal, a teardrop of love. Why would someone have a teardrop of love? Maybe by answering that question, it'll help you understand the story behind the Taj Mahal. So that's what you're going to do today. You're going to read through this short reading, this passage here. And while reading, you can click on these highlighted links, which will give you more information, give you a visual of what you're reading about. So you can scroll through it. Mongol means Muslim, which is a type of religion. That is the leader of India at the time. After some time in history, the Muslims have made their Muslim religion made its way into India. It's not a popular religion in India, but it was at that time. So the leader of India, Shah Jahan, was a Muslim. So a lot of architectural structure will reflect the Muslim faith, which we will talk about later on in the year. But these domes here are very popular in the Islamic faith. So his faith is represented in his structure. You can click on these highlighted links here to give you an idea what the people look like during that time period. This structure was built, Shah Jahan built this structure for his beautiful wife, who sadly passed away after giving birth to the 14th child. And he was so heartbroken, that's why it's called the teardrop of love, that he wanted this structure built in her honor, and they are both buried inside of the structure. So if you ever get a chance to go to India and go to the Taj Mahal, you will see that if you go inside, if it's not restricted. So you can click on the various links here so you can get a better visual of what they're talking about. So you're going to read this. You're then going to answer these questions. Number one says, read the following statements. If it is a fact, which means it's true, can't be argued. You're going to write an F in the blank. If it is the writer's point of view or their opinion, you're going to write a V. If it's an opinion, it means it can't be proven. People can argue it all day and say, hey, that's not true. Someone may not agree with the statements that are here. So if you can make an argument against it, then you should probably write V, because you know it's an opinion. If you think that, hey, this can't be argued, this is true, then you're going to write an F. So like number 2 says, building materials and treasures were brought from all over India and other parts of the world. That is true. We knew that's true. We can tell that in the structure. This can't be argued. Nearly all the great architectural structures in the world inspired all, so that could be argued, right? So maybe we think it's an ugly structure, with a certain masculine quality, if not aggressiveness, then arrogance or pomposity. So this can be argued because some people may not be inspired by this architectural structure. So if you can argue the statement, you're going to put a V. If you think, nope, can't be argued, this has to be true, you're going to put an F. Alright, look for the bolded underlined words too. That should help you throughout the reading. When you're done, you're then going to come down to part 2, which says choose the best answer for the following questions or statements. You can just highlight your answer. Not saying this is the answer. You just go up here and click this and highlight it, or you can underline it. You can just come up here and underline it, hold it, however you want to explain it, or you can just put the letter of your answer here. Okay, so you decide how you want to answer. It doesn't matter to me how you do it. It's your call. Alright, so you're going to answer these 5 multiple choice questions, and then you're going to come down to this last part, which is all your opinion. And you're going to write a couple sentences. Should be 2 to 3 sentences here for your opinion. Except for this last one says, what are 2 facts you learned about the Taj Mahal? 2 sentences is fine for that one. Obviously, you're only reading 2 facts. Also, in the reading, or in the Google Classroom, there's 2 videos. They're very short. This just gives you an outside tour of what it looks like. And then this is a very short inside tour, which is very rare. Photography is somewhat restricted in the Taj Mahal. So to see this is pretty big deal. So I hope you like the reading. I hope you love the videos. I hope this was helpful for you. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.